The next kanji is shou or noboru. Noboru. Noboru means rise, to rise up. So we start with shouka. Shouka. Shouka means sublimation. It's the change from gas to solid state. Shouka. Next one is jōshō. 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 This kanji up means up, and then this one is rise, so it means to rise up, to rise. The last one is shōshin. Shōshin. The kanji shō means to rise, and shin means to move forward. So it will be used for promotion at work. The next kanji is ka. Ka or hana. Hana. Hana means flower. So we have seen this kanji before. Shouka, which means sublimation. It's the change of state from gas to solid, and it may form the shape like flower. So they use kanji ka, shouka, in sublimation. The next one is kashi. Kashi. This one means Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit. Okay. The next kanji is ju. Ju or omoi. Kasanaru, which means heavy or overlap. So omoi means heavy. Kasanaru means overlap. We have the first one is juryo. Juryo. Juryo means weight. The body weight, the mass of the weight. Basically, in general, juryo means weight. If we put the first one, this kanji, taiju. This kanji means body. It means body weight or body mass. The next kanji is sanjuten. Sanjuten. This one means 3 points that overlap, which means the triple point. It's the point where gas state, liquid state, and solid state exist in the same condition. The triple point. Sanjuten. The next kanji is yo. Yo or tokeru. Tokasu, which means melt or dissolve. We'll start with the first one is yoeki. Yoeki. Yo means to melt, to dissolve, while eki means a liquid. It means there's something inside the liquid that dissolves, which means solution. Yoeki. The next one is yoshitsu. Yoshitsu. Shitsu also means substance or particle or quality. So yoshitsu means solute, the things that you dissolve into the solution, solute. The last one is yobai. Yobai. Yobai, bai means the medium. So it is the media of what you are using to solve to make the solution. For example, water or organic solvent, etc. So this one is solvent. The next kanji is bai. Bai. Bai means media or medium. So we have yobai, which means dissolvent. We also have baishitsu. Baishitsu. Baishitsu means the media or medium. For example, the media to where the sound or heat move is the air, for example. Baishitsu. This one is shokubai, shokubai. Shokubai, shoku means to touch. So the immediate touch, it means actually catalyst. So if you have a reaction and you put catalyst inside it, you will have a faster reaction. It just promotes the reaction speed.